Hello, my name is Eunice Moon and I am an 8th grade student attending Beverly Vista Middle School in the USA. This fall, my topic is looking inside. Our world is made up of many different shapes, sizes, and colors. Every day, while we continue with our busy lives, these shapes are portrayed differently. Depending on what someone does and where someone is, the ability to look at these shapes are different. Either only the surface of the shape is shown, or you get the ability to look inside. Everything in our world starts from a dot, and from this dot, it connects into a line, and these lines then connect to make a surface. This surface then connects and makes a shape. The shape either stays 2D or changes into a 3D shape. In this 3D shape, the surface of the shape is only shown, or you get the ability to see it through. Today, I will be showing you an example. An example would be a soccer ball. From this 3D shape, you can either look inside the soccer ball when created from 4D frame, or you can only see the surface when created from origami. With that, let's get on to the video. I will first be teaching you how to make the soccer ball out of origami. I'm going to be needing 2 pieces of paper, 1 white paper and 1 black paper. With the white paper, I'm going to be making the pentagon, and with the black paper, I'm going to be making the hexagon. I am first going to start off by teaching you how to make the pentagon. Start by folding the paper in half. Then, get the bottom right corner and fold to the center tip. Open the paper. Next, get the center tip and fold to the paper where the crease is, and then you will open it back up. Get the tip of the paper again and fold to the crease you just created. Fold the bottom right corner to the tip of the crease you just created. Repeat the same step on the left side. Finally, you will get the 2 corners and fold to the center. This is a finished model of the pentagon. You will need to create 12 more. I will now teach you how to make the hexagon. You are first going to be getting the paper that you put aside before, and I'm going to be starting by folding the paper in half. Fold the bottom right corner to the center where the crease is. Repeat the same step on the left. Next, fold both upper corners to the center. Fold the left and right corners to the center as well. This is a finished model of the hexagon. You will need to make 20 more. I will next show you how to connect the soccer ball. To connect, you will be needing a glue stick, and as you can see, there are 2 flaps on each of the shape. You will get 1 flap and glue this flap and overlap it onto the other shape where there is no flap. You will continue the same steps until you use all your papers. You will also need to follow a net shown in the picture. This is a finished model of the soccer ball. I will next teach you how to make the soccer ball out of 4D frame. I am now going to teach you how to make a soccer ball out of 4D frame. I'm going to start by getting my blue straw and connecting it with the tripod connector. I'm going to repeat the steps until I get my pentagon. Next, I'm going to get my white tubes and connect it with the tripod connectors. I am now going to make 5 more of the pentagons. This is what it looks like after I make my 5 pentagons. I'm going to get the pentagon that I made before, and using the white straws, I'm going to connect the pentagons. I'm next going to get the white straws and then connect the 2 connectors together. I'm going to repeat the steps until all my connectors are covered. As you can see, now there is a hexagon shape. I'm going to make the same model again. After I make one more model, for one model, I'm going to be connecting these white straws to the connectors. After you finish this, your models should look like this. And finally, I'm going to be connecting these white straws to the connectors. This is a finished model of the soccer ball. These are the completed models of the soccer balls. The soccer ball made out of 4D frame is see-through, while on the other hand, the soccer ball made out of origami is not. Both soccer balls were made out of different ways, but at the end, they all created the soccer ball. Thank you for letting me be part of such a wonderful experience, and I hope to see you soon.